Hey everyone, today we'll be practicing some sentences in the present simple tense. And in the link below, you will find an activity where you can build these sentences. Let's get started.
I live in the countryside.
He usually wakes up at 7 a.m. He eats pizza once a week. She cooks dinner for her family every day. He likes riding his bicycle. Dogs don't like cats.
I brush my teeth in the morning.
Sophia never gets angry. She is always happy.
I watch TV in the evenings.
Laura plays the piano very well.
I don't come home until 5 p.m.
He hates waiting for the bus. He does his homework in the evening. The train leaves the station at 6 p.m. Remember, if you liked the video and you want to practice, follow the link below so you can practice building these sentences yourself.